Before you begin, make sure you have read and understand the operator's manual, installation instructions, and all other safety instructions before setting up and using this equipment. Improper installation, adjustment, alteration, service, or maintenance can cause property damage, injury, or death. Any alterations to this equipment will void the warranty and may cause a dangerous condition. Installation of the PopClean Elite Popper Series poppers should be performed by qualified service personnel, and the fire suppression system, if equipped, must be charged and activated by an ANSOL certified representative. Read and understand the instruction manual and all other safety instructions for the unit before using this equipment. Once your popper is unpacked and installed, you are now ready to calibrate your oil system. Install the sensor plate in the bottom of the machine as shown. Turn on the main power switch and press the menu button in the top right corner. This will take you to the menu screen. Next, select the setting options and press Oil System Calibration. With an empty bucket and motor pump on the sensor plate, press OK at the Remove Empty Oil to reach 0% prompt. Next, open a full bucket of oil and place the oil and pump assemblies onto the sensor plate. Once installed, confirm by pressing OK at the Add New Oil to reach 100% prompt. You have now calibrated the oil level. Press OK to confirm. Now that your oil level is set, you will need to calibrate the pump. Make sure the kettle is completely cool before calibration and taking volume measurements. First, on the settings screen, select Oil Pump Calibration and follow the steps. Remove the oil funnel on top of the kettle and place a measuring cup under the oil delivery tube. When ready, press OK to confirm. At the Dispense Oil prompt, press the button to start the pump motor. The oil will run for a preset amount of time. After the pump is finished, compare the oil measurements to the volume shown on the screen. If the oil amount shown on the screen matches what is in the measuring cup, press OK and turn off the unit. If the oil volume does not match, press the up arrow to increase the oil volume, or press the down arrow to decrease the oil volume. Once the volumes match, press OK and turn off the unit. Before you turn on the unit, reattach the oil funnel on top of the kettle. Once attached, restart the machine. Now that your oil level and pump is calibrated, you are ready to pop some popcorn. On the home screen, press Cook. Next, select your recipe by selecting butterfly popcorn, salt flavoring, and your popcorn load size, and press OK. Your kettle will then begin preheating. Once the kettle is preheated, the screen will say, Add corn and flavacol. At this point, load your corn and flavacol, close the lid, and press the OK button. After pressing OK, you will be asked to dispense oil. Press OK to dispense oil and start the cooking process. Your popcorn will start popping and the screen will alert you when it is time to dump the kettle. When it says Dump Kettle, press OK to continue. After you dump the kettle, take your popcorn scoop and gently move the popcorn around to separate out any unpopped kernels. The screen will now ask you if you need to repeat recipe. Select OK to cook another batch. If done, select Cancel. Now you are ready to scoop and serve delicious popcorn.